Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will learn about logarithm step by step. This is the most important for competitive exams and PUC degree. You people know, right? So first we will learn about what is logarithm. In simple words, right? Log is nothing but power. Log is nothing but power. Log base b means log base b of x is equals to y. Log base b of x equals to y. What is this meaning? B to the power of y equals to x. That's it. So log x base b equals to means y. So b to the power of this one, b to the power of y equals to x. So this is the relationship. Okay. So this means b power y equals to x. Got it, right? Now we will see one example. Log, this is most to 100 equals to what? So if nothing is there, right? So always we have to assume it is a 10. Log 100 base 10 equals to 2. Okay. Now take one more example. Log 4 base 2 equals to what? Okay, here say some x. So we know, right? What is log? 2 to the power of x equals to 4. 2 to the power of x equals to 4. Then what is x value? 2 square equals to 4. X equals to 2. So this is the what. Okay. Now take same thing. You will get see. Log 4, how you will write? 2 square base 2. Okay, we will cover in logarithm laws, then you will understand. So 2 to the power of square means this will come to front side. Log 2, 2. Log 2 to both are same, right? So is equals to 2 into 1 equals to 2. See, we got it. So this is the logarithm. Okay. So you understand might be. Now we will discuss about the laws. Logarithm laws. Logarithm laws nothing but some formulas which we have to remember. First, take two numbers which multiplying log m n base a. So first this one, this is equal to log m base a plus log n base a. These are the laws we are going to use in working in different problems. Log m by n base a. It will be minus, it comes. Log m base a minus log n base a. Okay, now one more important one. Log m to the power of n base a. This one already we discussed, right? N comes front. N log m base a. So these are the main. Okay. Now one more is there. This is the one, this is the one, this is the one, and one more. Log a base a equals to 1. How I will tell? Log x base a equals to log x by log a. Log x by log a. This meaning. So now here also say log a base a equals to 1. How it became? Think about yourself. Log a by log a, both will get cancelled. You will get 1. So these are the main. Now some more we will discuss. Log a base b into log b base a. What it will become? Log a base b. See here. Log x a. Log x by log a. Same log a base b. Means log a by log b into log b by log a. Log b cancel, log a cancel. So equals to 1. This one. Now take similar one but simple change. Log a base b into log b base c. Now log a log b. Same. Log a by log b into log b by log c. Log b cancel, both same. Only left log a by log c. Log a by log c. Log x by log a. What it is? Log x base a. This one bottom one will become base. So here log b bottom one c. So here log b c base c. This one. See, log b will get cancelled. Log this one become log b cancel, log a base c. Okay, now you might have understand. Now what else? Yeah, log m base a. This we can write as a with m and a, log m by log a with some same base. Here same base, here same base. See, if you put right log m by log b divided by log a by log b. If it is reverse and it cancels, again log m by log a will get. So we can write this one as a like this. Some solving in some problems, right? It will be useful. And one more, same this only. This we can write as a 1 by, what will become? Log a base m. Log a m equals to log m base b by log a sum base b. Log m base a equals to 1 by log a base m. These are the main. Okay. And one more we'll discuss. One more log, that is the main important. A to the power of log m bc. See, observe. A to the power of log a. Both base and this one is both are same. Okay. M equals to what? If both are same, then it should be always same. So these certain conditions, a should be greater than 0 and a not equals to 1 and m greater than 0. In that case, a to the power of log a m equals to m. So this rule passes. So we will prove how it is. Now say a to the power of log a to the power of m, right? Now say log m base a, this one, equals to x. You can say, take like that. Okay. So you know, right? Based on logarithm, see log m base a equals to x. What it tells? Yes. A to the power of x equals to m. Got it, right? This is the logarithm. Okay. Now take as it is, a to the power of x equals to m. So a, write as it is. What is x? Say x equals to log m base a, you told, right? Log m base a. Ax equals to a as it is, x equals to this one row, right? So equals to m. See, this and this, correct or not? Yeah. So this is the main loss. Okay, this you can note some in formula book and go through one or twice, you will get some idea. Now we will take one small example and we will do it. Okay. Log 5x equals to log x plus 4 plus log 3. So many people, what they will do? Log we will take common, log cancel. Then 5x equals this one, 5x equals to x plus 4 plus 3. So 5x equals to x plus 7. They will do like this. This is wrong. What we have to do? Here we know, right? Here, see, log m plus log n equals to log m into n. Same we have to follow. Here, log 5x as it is equals to log m plus log n. This means log x plus 4m plus into n. So this is the what? Yeah. Log m n equals to log m plus log n. For reference, I wrote here. So this is the formula which we have used here. Now log 5x equals to log 3 into x, 3x plus 3 4 ja 12. Now this side also log, this side also log. So remove it. 5x equals to 3x plus 12. Now 5x, 3x comes this side, minus 3x equals to 12. What it will become? 5x minus 3x, 2x equals to 12. Now x equals to 12 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, 6. Now you got right? So like this, you can do some more problems on logs. You have any doubts or any new logarithms related problems, right? Just post on comment. I will solve and I will make one more video for to make it easy. Okay, thanks for your time.